Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be bashing the Vorteks 2 to 3S at the skate park while it's raining. Woo! Oh! Sizable send. I want to try that send again. Oh, looks like we couldn't get up that time. Oh. That was a good jump. Except the battery came out a little bit. What's going on? Seems like after every big jump, it doesn't like any throttle afterwards. What's going on? Oh, my battery blew up. I mean, it didn't blow up, but definitely wet inside there now. That's not good. Yeah, that hit was probably too much for the battery. I'm gonna make sure it's not wet in there so it doesn't explode on me. Yeah, let's take the back off too. Yeah, it's still gotta reset it. Here we go. Oh, we lost a battery. Oh, no! I broke the rod clean off from that jump. Looks like it's it for the Vorteks. Damn, that came like right off. I wonder if there's a way I can like hook this on just for a few more jumps. We broke the Vorteks, guys. It finally happened. It's not the best, but it might work. Oh, big puddle. She got real wet there. Oops. Yeah. Okay, well, we're gonna take it on a few more tricks, then we'll do one last send. Oh! I hit a table. I hope you guys saw that. We might have to do one last send for this video. Yeah, we're still cooking. Oh, our body's a little messed up. What happened there? Oh, I broke the body. Look at that, guys. I destroyed the body. And the battery. Both batteries. Yes, we landed. All right, we're gonna do one last send with this thing. We're gonna send it off this massive jump right here. I'm gonna get as close as I can to this edge. So you guys get a good POV of this. I gotta avoid this puddle or else it'll crash out. Oh, big crash. Both my batteries are probably toast now. Yeah, looks like that's gonna be it for today's video. I destroyed the front shock too. Okay, well, we broke a lot in this video, so please leave a like and subscribe, yeah, for more Vortex bashing.